Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. You can see a nice white background, and we're going to draw a lighthouse here. So for this purpose, we're just drawing something looks like a conical shape. Okay, so narrow on the top. We're going to connect all the points here, doing the railing on the top, and this is going to be the the storied. So it looks like there's a four-storied building. Awesome. So this is going to be the slope, and another slope coming up here, and this is going to be the downward hillside. Okay, so on the left side you can see slope has a progression. Okay, here. Awesome. Another slope you can see just coming up on the right side. All right. Okay, here we're going to draw a house which is going to be the dark blue color. So let's see, just drawing a straight line, vertical, and this is going to be the pitched roof. Okay, another pitched roof going on the other side. Okay, and a vertical line you can see here, a door and window on the left side you can see by the grills, and the window partially visible. Okay, so for the roof tiles you can see the texture. Okay, all right, and a few grasses we are going to put it here later. On the top of the tire, let's put a house, and which is going to be a triangular shape, and you can see the details later. So for the purpose of the concrete structure, let's do some details for each tire so that it looks like a 3D. Awesome. You can see a door here. Okay, and at the bottom again we are going to provide some railing. Below you can see here few details for the land side. Okay, and the water body here you can see like a straight line I'm going to put here, and few wave patterns for the water. Later we're going to use the crayons. Okay, and you can see here some green grasses. Okay, all right, and looks like the birds flying in the sky, so that's why putting something like the V shape, and the lines you can see. Okay, so some are smaller, some are bigger, few details like different orientation. And few grasses we're going to draw with a dark green color. Okay, awesome. After that we're going to put the crayons, and you can see just dark green for the water body. In some places you can see the depth is much higher. In some places you can see the less depth. Okay, and here we're going to put the green colors. Okay, for the landslide. So these lands just going upwards looks like very much green. Another green putting on the another slope. Okay, you can use the fingertips for much smooth appearance. So appearance looks nice. The blue here for the rooftop, let's put the dark red color for the rooftop of the house. Okay, and for the tower here we're just putting these types of colors which looks like a dark brick color, and we're going to put the same types of color for the ground level here. So in some places you can see the corners with the darker shades. Okay, corners with the darker shades, some corners. This is how it looks like the 3D. Okay, mixing up. Okay, the scenery getting much smarter. And for the sky, just putting few blue outlines with the crayon. So crayon usually saves times and can draw a big area. It can cover a big area with very precise way. All right, here just more water you can see. Okay, so nice picture, all blue in the ocean. You can see something looks like the island and a lighthouse in the middle. Awesome. So this is the simple scenery. You can just do practice, and this is it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.